we know that the world is dealing with the great pandemic attack by this novel disease COVID-19, which is also known as the coronavirus disease. COVID-19 is an infectious disease which is caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and also recover without any special treatment. But this disease may also lead to death if any precautionary measures is not followed by the people, which is given by the WHO guidelines. The COVID-19 outbreak was first identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019, and WHO has declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 30th of January and a pandemic on 11th of March. The contamination of this virus affects different persons through different ways, and that makes this disease very dangerous, deadly, and pandemic.
So COVID-19 spreads very easily between the people who sneeze or who cough. Even the droplets that come out may hit the surface and remain viable for many hours. Someone else touches the surface and then touches their nose, mouth and eyes. They may auto-inoculate themselves. COVID transmits very easily, so large proportion of the population is likely to get infected. For every one person with COVID-19, more 2 or 3 people are getting infected.
Mechanism of coronavirus. When an infected person talks, coughs or sneezes, droplet carrying the virus may land in mouth or nose and then moves into the lungs. Coronavirus attack throats and lungs, which infect living cells in order to reproduce. Inside the virus, genetic material contains the information to make more copies of itself. Coronavirus are in circular in shape, surrounded by a fatty outer layer, having a spike of protein molecule used like a key to get inside a cell and into a receptor molecule on a healthy cell membrane like a key in a lock. This reaction allows the viruses to get inside the cell. Virus travel inside a sac made from cell membrane to cell nucleus. Coronavirus does not need to enter the host cell nucleus. It can directly access part of the cell called ribosome. Ribosome makes viral proteins such as the spike on the virus surfaces in a vesicle, which merge cell outer layer, cell membrane and creates a new viruses. Now, virus develop pneumonia, affect different part of the lungs and develop lower pneumonia, bronchopneumonia, which causes difficulty in breathing due to development of more mucus fluid, and this mucus fluid forms solid masses which causes respiratory failure and eventually leads to death.
Signs and symptoms of COVID-19. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate symptoms. Some common symptoms are fever, tiredness, dry cough, difficulty in breathing. Some people may experience ache and pain, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, diarrhea. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. If above symptoms are seen as high fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, immediately consult the doctors.
Steps to prevent the spread of novel coronavirus. Masks should be used by the health workers, caretakers and people who are sick. Wash your hands frequently with soap or 60% alcohol-based sanitizer. Greet with Namaste instead of handshake. Avoid social gatherings. Maintain at least 6 feet distance from a person. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. If you have symptoms like fever, cough or difficulty in breathing, seek medical care immediately. Stay aware of the latest information from the WHO. Use Arogya Setu app. App Immune Boost Diet. Stay home, stay safe, stay alive, be healthy.
As we all know that till now there is no specific vaccines and the treatment available for the COVID-19 treatment, and no antiviral medications are recommended for the treatment of the COVID-19. Therefore, it is treated by focused on the relieving the symptoms, like patients should take rest, should drink plenty of the fluids, and eat nutritious healthy food which contain the iron, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C and vitamin A, which will increase the immune power of the patient. And the next is the self-quarantine, which means the patient should stay in a separate room away from the other family member. Some treatment options were selected as per WHO informations, that are combined use of lopinavir and ritonavir with interferon beta, and the next is chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.